Understanding the phrase, start by, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, start by. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal English, and understanding it can really help you in various contexts. So, let's get started and explore what start by means and how to use it effectively. Start by is a phrase used to initiate an action or suggest the first step in a process. It's a directive phrase, guiding someone on where to begin. For example, if someone says, start by turning on the computer, they mean that the first action in the process is to turn on the computer. This phrase is helpful in instructions, advice, or when outlining a sequence of actions. Everyday conversation. In everyday conversations, start by can be used to give friendly advice or instructions. For example, start by mixing the flour and sugar if you want to bake a cake. If you're lost, start by checking your map or using a GPS. Academic or professional settings. In more formal contexts like academic or business environments, start by is used to structure a presentation or a task. For example, start by reviewing the agenda for today's meeting. In your essay, start by outlining your main argument. Self-help or guided learning. This phrase is also common in self-help or guided learning materials. For instance, to improve your health, start by eating more vegetables. Start by practicing for 10 minutes a day if you want to learn a new language. While start by is the most common form, there are variations like begin by or commence by, more formal. The meaning remains the same, but the choice of words can depend on the formality of the situation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, start by. Remember, it's all about taking that first step in a process or instruction. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using start by in your English conversations and writing. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.